salamat sa pagbabalik nyo dito sa Kababayan Today. Sa month ng Nobyembre, ang ating tatalakayin ay ang pagsasalamat at pagbibigay sa ating kapwa Pilipino. Nandito po ang organisasyon na Filipino-American Chamber of Commerce for Greater Los Angeles. They're actually raising funds for an event happening this November 10th for the Villaba Vocational High School located in Leyte, Philippines. And the great news is One World Institute Foundation is willing to match their donation. So their event is dubbed Asian Friendship Golf Tournament, which I will be hosting actually. And like I said, they're raising funds for a very important project in Leyte. You'll get to see the photos in a little bit. This was part of the devastated area hit by Typhoon Haiyan. Kasama natin si Ms. Shirley Lumanog, ang president, at si Mr. Noel S.V. Omega, President Emeritus, and Charter co-founder, at si Much Carino, ang isa sa mga board members ng organisasyon. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta nyo dito sa Kababayan Today. Ms. Shirley, this is such an important event because you're raising funds for this high school. Please talk to us, why did you choose this high school out of all the high schools to help?
With that, actually, if I can have Noel Omega, because he was personally there sa Pilipinas, and he saw the actual devastation that was caused ng Typhoon Haiyan in,
in Leyte.
Yes, in Leyte. He was there, so he saw everything.
My pleasure, Madam President.
Yes, please.
In fact, the pictures, I took most of them. So nagagala kami nandito ngayon, kasama ka, G. Such an honor. Pinili namin yung school na ito because, unfortunately, it was not one of the schools that received relief right away. The other thing is they're in Western Leyte, so they're a little bit forgotten kasi in Eastern Leyte mas malaki ang devastation. The other thing why we selected it is it's a vocational high school. It's not just a regular high school. We actually teach, well, they actually teach the children or the young people there how to create a livelihood. So they learn their high school diploma, and then they also learn how to earn their livelihood, which is in line with our objectives at Chamber of Commerce.
Yes, please talk to us, President Shirley, ma'am, about the objectives for the Chamber here in the Greater Los Angeles area.
Well, aside from we promote and enhance yung mga small businesses, especially in the Filipino community, as you can see, we also do a lot of charities like helping, back our kababayan and raising a lot of funds. But our main focus really is just helping the small business Filipino community, the startup business. But for this, we're doing the Asian Golf Tournament to help with our kababayan back home to raise funds because of what had happened. And
it's a fun event.
It's a fun event. Yes, it is.
Right?
It's a golf tournament.
Much, do you play golf?
I play golf a little bit, but I organize most of golf tournaments. I've done several golf tournaments here in LA, and I'm helping the chamber organize it as well.
Okay, so what is going to be so special about this event, this friendship tournament that's going to happen on November 10th?
We have a helicopter drop where we're giving away 2 Philippine Airline tickets, and then of course we have a brand new car being given away for the hole-in-one prizes, and there would be a dinner, there would be entertainment and everything. The golfers play at a very good course, which is the Robinson's Ranch course, and it always attracts a good number of golfers. And in fact, we already have come very close to our target number of golfers to participate.
What is that number, if you don't mind me asking?
100.
Okay, so there's only 100 slots. So if I were you and you play golf and you want to help out, this is a great way to do that. Shirley, I know that with an organization such as this, I know that there are challenges that you face, especially in these economic times. Can you share some of the challenges that your organization faces?
Mainly because, like you mentioned, the economic situation that we have right now. So we have this struggle in getting donors, patrons, and sponsors. However, if you do have a good cause like this, helping our kababayans back home, dahil about the devastated Typhoon Haiyan victims, and they're always willing to put out there the
Right.
best that they can. Yes.
So it's a great event because we can all get together, play some golf, but at the same time help our kababayans.
Help our
Correct.
kababayan. This
Oo.
is our main focus
Maraming
right now.
maraming
Yes.
salamat sa pagpunta nyo sa Kababayan today. We look forward to seeing you all at the event. Magkita-kita po tayo sa Asian Friendship Golf Tournament. Maraming salamat at magbabalik tayo dito sa Kababayan today.